Welcome to a step-by-step journey to cultivate robust, fresh broccoli in your own garden. Broccoli, with its unique look and resilience, is not only nutritious but also easy to grow and economically valuable. Known for its high nutritional content, broccoli provides numerous health benefits, from family meals to menus for health enthusiasts. Broccoli is not just a vegetable, it's a friendly companion for our hearts and immune systems. To achieve those big, crisp, and sweet-tasting broccoli heads, let's start with the basics. To grow strong, broccoli needs an ideal environment. This plant thrives in cooler climates, with optimal temperatures from 18 to 23 degrees Celsius, which keep it healthy without wilting under intense sunlight. If the temperature gets higher, it can affect the quality, so higher altitude regions in Vietnam, like Da La or the Northwest, are quite suitable. The soil needs to be fertile and rich in nutrients, which is crucial for broccoli's development. Soil with a pH level of 6.0 to 7.5 will help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. If the soil lacks fertility, adding organic fertilizer will give the plant a feast of nutrients. For broccoli, a moderate amount of sunlight and consistent watering are essential success factors. Everything starts from small seeds. You should soak broccoli seeds in warm water for about 2 to 3 hours to stimulate sprouting. After soaking, the seeds can be sown in trays, or you can plant them directly in the ground if you've prepared your garden bed. The ideal spacing is 30 to 40 centimeters between seeds to ensure that each plant has enough space to grow. As the seedlings begin to sprout their first leaves, give them a little nutrition boost with diluted organic fertilizer or NPK. This is when they need special care. Water daily to maintain moisture, but avoid waterlogging the plants. Young broccoli seedlings thrive with a bit of morning sunlight, a wonderful energy source to help them grow quickly. Once the plants are mature, attentive care is still necessary. You can add nitrogen and phosphorus-rich fertilizer to improve the quality and size of the heads. Broccoli requires balanced nutrition, and if the soil lacks nutrients, the plants can become weak and prone to diseases. Common pests such as fungi, aphids, and stem borers are typical nuisances. Instead of using chemical pesticides, you might try natural methods like spraying with garlic or chili water to ward off pests. If pests do appear, prompt handling is essential to protect the plants and keep the broccoli heads smooth and of high quality. The time to harvest broccoli is when you see large, firm, deep green heads, usually around 75 to 90 days after sowing. Use a sharp knife to cut the head, leaving about 10 to 15 centimeters of stem. To preserve its freshness, harvest in the early morning or cool afternoon. After harvesting, wash the broccoli and store it at a temperature of 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. You can use plastic bags or airtight containers to keep the broccoli fresh, vibrant in color, and high in quality for 1 to 2 weeks. Broccoli is not only a nutritious food but also a crop with high economic value. With its large demand, particularly with the trend of healthy eating, broccoli can provide a stable income. The cost of growing broccoli isn't too high. It has a short growth cycle, is resistant to pests, and is suitable for newcomers to agriculture. If grown on a larger scale, broccoli can be a promising crop for farmers. Growing broccoli is a journey from tiny seeds to strong, nutritious greens. This isn't just farming. It's the joy of seeing the fruits of your labor after days of care. Grow broccoli to bring fresh, green vegetables to your family and also create a stable source of income if cultivated on a larger scale. Thank you for joining me in exploring the process of growing and harvesting broccoli. Turn your garden into a space filled with fresh, green heads of broccoli, where you can take pride in the result of hard work and patience.
Hello, audience. Today we will explore together a plant that not only brings high economic value but also has many useful effects in life. That is sugarcane. Please join me through each step of planting, caring for, and harvesting sugarcane to achieve the highest yield. First, to have a bumper sugarcane crop, choosing varieties is an extremely important factor. Sugarcane varieties must be suitable for the climatic and soil conditions of each region. Currently, sugarcane varieties such as ROC, K88, 92, and K95, 84 are popular thanks to their strong growth ability and high yield. You can see each sugarcane variety has its own characteristics. For example, the ROC variety stands out with good drought resistance and is suitable for growing in areas with low rainfall. Meanwhile, varieties K88, 92, and K95, 84 have good resistance to pests and diseases, providing stable yields in many different soil types. Sugarcane planting land also needs to be carefully prepared. The soil needs to be plowed and loosened, weeds removed, and organic fertilizer or decomposed manure added to provide nutrients for the plants. A fertile, well-drained land is the ideal condition for sugarcane to grow. Did you know that sugarcane land should be plowed about 20 to 30 centimeters deep and harrowed carefully to create looseness, helping sugarcane roots grow strongly? Applying organic fertilizer or decomposed manure not only provides nutrients but also improves soil structure, increasing water retention and drainage capacity. When planting sugarcane, we need to cut sugarcane cuttings into sections about 30 to 35 centimeters long. Each section has 2 to 3 eyes. The sugarcane cuttings are then placed horizontally or slightly tilted in a trench about 10 to 15 centimeters deep and covered with a thin layer of soil. Choosing healthy, pest-free sugarcane cuttings is very important. Sugarcane cuttings should be cut in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid high temperatures drying out the cuttings. Placing sugarcane cuttings horizontally helps the sugarcane's eyes have good contact with the soil, making it easier to germinate and grow into a tree. Caring for sugarcane requires meticulousness and patience. Sugarcane needs to be watered regularly to ensure the soil is always moist, especially during the germination and stem development stages. Fertilizing at the right time is also very important, helping sugarcane plants grow strongly and achieve high yields. During the preschool stage, sugarcane plants need to be watered 2 to 3 times per week. Once the plant has grown taller, watering can be reduced to 1 to 2 times per week, depending on weather conditions. Applying nitrogen fertilizer in the early stages will stimulate leaf and stem growth. When the plant begins to form, sugarcane stems switch to potassium fertilizer to strengthen the stem and increase sugar accumulation. Pest control is an indispensable job. Pests such as stem borers, mealybugs, or rust can seriously damage sugarcane plants. Regular inspection and use of appropriate prevention measures will help protect sugarcane from harmful factors. You can see stem borers are one of the most dangerous pests for sugarcane. They bore into tree trunks, reducing sugarcane productivity and quality. Using biological measures such as releasing parasitic wasps or spraying pesticides will help effectively control this pest. After about 10 to 14 months of care, the sugarcane is ready to harvest. At this time, the sugarcane plant has reached its optimal height and sugar level. Farmers will use sharp knives or sugarcane cutters to cut close to the base, remove dry leaves, and chop into pieces for easy transportation. Sugarcane harvesting usually takes place in the dry season to avoid reducing sugarcane quality due to humidity. After cutting, the sugarcane will be quickly transported to the factory to extract the juice, ensuring the sweetness and quality are maintained. Sugarcane is not only the main source of raw materials for sugar production, but also has many other useful effects. Sugarcane juice can be fermented to produce rum, and sugarcane bagasse after pressing can be used as fuel, paper production, or as organic fertilizer. In addition, sugarcane juice also contains many vitamins and minerals, helping to cool down and provide quick energy. Sugarcane juice contains vitamins B1, B2, B6, and C, along with calcium, magnesium, and iron, which help improve overall health. Drinking sugarcane juice not only helps cool you down, but also provides quick energy and restores health after tiring work. Sugarcane brings high economic benefits to farmers and also provides many values for our health and life. By applying the right planting and care techniques, we can achieve bountiful and quality sugarcane crops. Thank you for watching this entire video. Hopefully, through this program, you will understand more about how to plant, care for, and harvest sugarcane to achieve high productivity. See you again in the next reports. Wishing you health and success.